Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute bunny frame. I'm going to take a brush and go around the whole edge of this sign with some antique wax. And I'm making sure that I get along the inside edge there also, trying not to get it too much on the inside of the frame. Once you have the whole outside all stacked, I'm going to take that color, bleached sand is the color I used, and I'm going to paint the whole inside of the frame that color. And I chose that color because it matches the white in the scrapbook paper that I chose from Hobby Lobby. Once I had that all finished and painted in the white that I wanted, I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to take my bunny. I'm going to pull that sticker off the back. I got this bunny at Family Dollar. And I'm going to stain just around the edges of the bunny so that if you're looking at this sign from the side, you'll see that the bunny has the stain that matches the edge of the frame. So just right around the edges of it, not on the bunny itself. Once I had him all stained, I'm going to lay him on my scrapbook paper and cut him out and then Mod Podge the scrapbook paper onto the bunny. Once the scrapbook paper was all dry, I'm going to take a sanding block and sand off all the excess around the edges of the bunny. And then to get in between his ears, I used a nail file from Dollar Tree, and I just used it to get into that little small area that a sanding block can't get into. Once he's all sanded and ready to go, I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to hot glue him right to the center of my frame. Once it was all glued in, I used that pink bow and hot glued that to the bunny's neck. And I didn't like the way that it looked, so I ended up changing it out with a burlap one, which you will see at the end pictures. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and I love it with the burlap bow. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.